Hey guys, today I'm creating this classic green smoky eye that is really easy to create. So first thing first, I'm using this Girl Pro Conceal and applying it all over my eyelids. And this concealer cancels out all the imperfection and it also gives a smooth base for the eyeshadow. I'm using this brush from Real Techniques and blending it all over my eyes. Then today I'm using this James Charles palette and using this lighter nude shade and applying it all over my eyes so that it creates a smooth base and the eyeshadow is really easy to work on. Then moving forward, I'm using this brown shade and applying it as a crease, and I'm focusing on inner corner to the outer corner and blending it out with a fluffy brush. This eyeshadow acts as a base, and make sure that you are blending it out evenly so that there is no any harsh lines. Take your time while blending it. Then to add some depth, I'm using this dark green shade and applying it with a small brush and moving it back and forth. I am slowly building up this color and not using too much. Then after that, I'm also using my fingers so that there is more pigment. You can see how this green shade pops out. Further moving on, I'm using this green glitter shade and applying it with my fingers all over my eyelids, and you can see that this shimmer just adds a subtle spotlight effect and it instantly makes your eyes pop. Then again I'm using the same brown shade and moving it back and forth with a fluffy brush so that there is no any harsh lines. Then I'm using this deep dark brown shade and smoking out my lower lashes. I'm starting from the outer corner and gently building the color to the inner corner as well. Then with this fluffy round brush, I'm blending it all over my lower lashes. Moving forward, I'm using this Benefit eyeliner and creating a small winged liner. I'm using small strokes first and gently building the color. For this look, I'm going for a thin layer. I want to make sure that my green eyeshadow pops out more. Then lastly, I'm using this Smashbox Superfan mascara and applying it on my upper as well as lower lashes. I'm applying up to 2 or 3 coats for that fuller lashes, and make sure that you coat it evenly. And you can also stop here or apply some false lashes as well. And this is the final green smoky eye tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this look, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.